Okay, so you'll have a box of film, one razor blade is all you need, the tool, microfiber, and a ball of Windex. Tabletop, let's get started real quick. So you need somewhere to work. Just pull your film out. Find your circle, you'll see it, it's pretty easy to identify. Get your razor blade out. You're gonna cut it, strip it off. Don't cut the circle. There's that. Now, if you see the circle, you'll be able to cut an outline around the circle, just about a ½ inch around it or so. Don't get too crazy and don't try to be too specific. If you have two people, this could go even quicker, then you don't have to do this because someone can just hold it while you peel it out. I'll get to that. Okay, so I cut off that excess, and then now what's going to happen, there's a border you're going to be pulling off. Like so. It's pretty easy. This is all trash. Throw it out. And now at this point, flip this over, spray your tabletop, wipe it, clean it, look for any smudges or any glue or anything, little defects here and there. They're on everything. Get your Windex at the edge of the film. Flip it back over. So you're going to have the real flimsy, clear plastic side. Start peeling it back. Right in there, you'll see. You'll be able to put your hand, just a little, start peeling it back. Don't touch the dry area. Only touch where it's wet.
I don't know very good. I thought it was a white heart.
Squirt the surface. Squeegee it out. That's it. Overlap the strokes by half. Just push the water out. It's that easy. Overlap by half. Overlap by half the squeegee. Half of it. Just push it out. Get your towel, wipe it out. Looks excellent. You might get a piece of dirt in it. You might get a tiny hair on it. It's gonna be fine. No one's gonna see it. Other than that, that's it.